My husband likes this kind of laid back atmosphere, everything relaxed, do it at your own pace thing. And so we thought if it's St. Elizabeth, that would fit the bill. And then when we got to Two Seasons, it was like going to a family home. It's a lovely place to go.
Rejuvenate your spirit at Two Seasons Guest House. Nestled in the heart of the laid-back village community of Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Located in a quiet country environment, Two Seasons Guest House offers bed and breakfast with modern facilities such as cable TV, internet access, and a meeting and entertainment area. Or private pool and expansive grounds with lignum vitae trees provide shaded, cool, and breezy lounge areas, ideal for relaxation or for hosting an event. The cozy 10-room boutique property takes visitors away from the hustle and bustle of the city with easy access to nearby beaches, local restaurants and bars, and many of Jamaica's most celebrated South Coast attractions. While staying at Two Seasons Guest House, you may venture to the Black River Safari, Wyas Falls, Lover's Leap, the unique Pelican Bar at Paroti, the famous Appleton Rum Tour, Jamaica Zoo, and enjoy the local Treasure Beach Sports Park with football, netball, cricket, and tennis facilities. In addition to providing attractive accommodations for individuals or couples, Two Seasons Guest House is also an ideal setting for your group, faith-based, wellness and executive retreats, and reunions or get-togethers of family and friends. We will help you plan your gathering or meeting. Packages include meeting space, internet access, copy and printing facilities, and provision of breaks and meals. Discover Two Seasons Guest House, Treasure Beach on Jamaica's South Coast, where the welcome is warm and the running's cool. Two Seasons Guest House is registered with the Jamaica Tourist Board. For more information, contact us by calling us at 876-571-0818 or email info@twoseasonsguesthouse.com. Visit our website www.twoseasonsguesthouse.com.
That there's a land far, far away. That there's a land far